Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning BMW 5 Series 520d M Sport Touring we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely metallic black paint. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle with a full BMW service history, which I'll go through shortly. Just starting off with the front of the vehicle, it's got those LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the vehicle, you've got these 18-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with the heated wing mirrors there, and also optionally fitted privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a huge amount of boot space on offer, as you'd expect, with the split folding seats as well, so plenty of room for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You even got extra storage just under the boot floor as well. You've also got the split tailgate with the electric function, and also the glass top open separately as well. Moving inside, you get this lovely full leather upholstery with the white stitching and accents. And moving towards the front of the vehicle, there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Alongside the digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, there's also satellite navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. There's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, so you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's multiple driver modes available as well. It's got that sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and an Eco Pro setting as well to help reserve some fuel. Just going through your service requirements there, as you can see you've got the service history, all on the iDrive system. You've got further systems as well, with your different driving modes which you can configure yourself, and also your lighting settings, including interior lighting as well. So you've got the ambient lighting pack available, with a huge range of different colours to choose from to help brighten up the cabin whilst driving at night. As well as front and rear parking sensors, you've also got a rear view camera to help with parking. And a little bit further down the cabin, there's dual zone climate control available with heated front seats, so perfect for cold winter mornings. There's also a little bit of storage below, with a couple of power outlets as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.